Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start now by powering off and unplugging both ends, then remove the thumb screws. Do not delay. Once done, unscrew the connector housing halves to expose the cable end so you can see the 15-pin arrangement. Make sure to photograph the pin layout and label wires. This prevents mistakes later. You will cut only a small length of outer jacket, about 1/2 inch, so you can access the individual conductors, carefully separate shielding from inner conductors to keep signals intact. You now strip each conductor about 3 to 4 millimeters and keep the wire strands twisted. This ensures solid contact. Next, match each wire to its corresponding pin number. Remember the 5x3 grid, so red, green, blue, and sync lines go to their exact pins. If needed, use a continuity tester. Then solder or crimp each pin firmly, make sure there is no cold joint, and reassemble the housing with strain relief in place, so the cable won't pull out under use. You finish by reattaching the connector housing and tightening the thumb screws evenly so the shell sits flush. Once assembled, plug into a known good monitor and check for full color bars, stable sync, and no flicker. Move the cable gently to verify strain relief. If you see problems, power off and inspect. Verify pin order, reflow any suspect solder joints, and check continuity on each conductor. One key troubleshooting tip: intermittent color loss usually indicates a bad solder joint or swapped pin.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.